Hi, welcome to this video tutorial of Neo4j Graph Intelligence for Microsoft Fabric. In the tutorial, we're going to take some sample dataset that's provided by the workload and transform it into a graph. We'll use text to cipher, so you can query the graph. Then we'll use our Bloom's capability to run the PageRank algorithm. This will enable us to find the most popular products bought across all buyers within a retail dataset. And we'll write the PageRank scores back into the graph and export those into OneLake. Once we're in OneLake, we'll be able to create a Microsoft Graph data agent. The data agent can then be used by Copilot. So you can ask questions like, what's the most popular product? As I said, you can find us in the Workload Hub. The Workload Hub includes the links to the Quick Start Guide, some video and documentation links as well. If you want to go one step deeper on your analysis, there's an excellent blog written by Carden Baylor from our product marketing team. He's done some analysis using in a Python notebook within Fabric. What's great about this is the analysis uses node similarity. That enables you to find a much deeper recommendation based on true buyer behavior rather than just what product is bought the most frequently. So you'll uncover that actually pepper jack cheese is the most important product when it comes to making recommendations. So we're starting off assuming you've got the workload installed and configured and it's available for your workspaces. I'm going to go into the Aura workspace. Do not try and use the partner workloads in my workspaces. They don't work. So we're in the workspace. We're going to create a new item. You'll see I've pinned the Neo4j Graph dataset. If you haven't already done that, then it's available within all items. And you can search for it by either Neo4j. You can see some preview examples there because they're the engineering builds, or maybe graph model, Neo4j graph dataset. Give your dataset a name. So we call it recommendations. Right, you've now got the choice. We provide a sample dataset, so let's assume that you don't have any data handy that you can use testing evaluation. You can choose to create a lakehouse or select an existing one. So I'm going to select an existing lakehouse, put this into the sample data schema. This dataset is based on the Instacart market basket analysis from Kaggle. And then you select continue setup, so it will take you right through the flow, load it up into the lakehouse for you. We now select the instance size in Aura. If you've got a free trial, you won't see this dialog. We'll just provision you a 4 gig instance. You copy and close this information. The user password is required if you want to access the data via a notebook. This is required. You don't need to log in. It's all seamless authentication using your Microsoft Entra ID. Copy and close that. We're going to build a graph from all the data that's available. So here we can see that product is in a department, order history has a product, and product is in an aisle. So we can now transform that to a graph. We see all the stages are completing, and it's just performing the import now. You'll receive an email when it's complete. You can choose to preview the graph whilst it's being built. You can see some of the data started to load. So you've got departments, order history. We'll just go back and wait for it to complete. Which is now done. Okay, let's try the text decipher. So do Control I, show products 56. About which files are required to complete order 56. Let's try out Bloom. So Bloom gives you more of a business view of the graph. You can select what you show. You're also able to run graph algorithms. So here we can see like products that make up the orders. I'm going to run a graph analytics session. So I'm going to add an algorithm, run PageRank. You've got a choice between the scene, i.e. what you can actually see in Bloom, versus creating projection using all the data in the graph. It's generally preferable to use the projection. Okay, and then when you want to run the algorithm, I'd recommend removing the timestamp that's on the end there, or the unique identifier. Otherwise, that would be written as the column name. Property PageRank has been written to 5,543 nodes. Now we can go to export. We'll need to refresh the UI. And now we can see products, and we've got a PageRank centrality score now. And we want to write that back. We'll write the results back to a new table. We'll give that the table prefix PageRank scores. Okay, so now we're going to export the results. We'll send back the product name as well as the PageRank centrality score. We're going to send that to a new table to keep it separate from the original source data. Okay. The export job has been started. Head over to history now, and you can see, if we refresh it, that it's in progress. Okay, so the job has completed. So let's head over now to create a data agent. So search data agent. Add source data. Find the demo lake where we've got our results. We can now select the table with the results in. What product has the highest page rank score? Excellent. Returns banana. We will publish this. Product recommendation engine. Now it's available to everyone in your workspace. Thanks. You've seen the kind of basically how to transform your OneLake data into a graph, perform graph algorithms, write those results into the graph, export them back into OneLake tables. You can either do the same tables or create new ones, and then set up a data agent to be able to answer questions. You could create Power BI charts as well to show the top ranked products. So thanks for your time. You can check us out in the Workload Hub.